I got some extensions to help me out. And let's go. Okay, I was able to pull it straight up through the opening here, but I had to slide my covering out the way. Either that or remove the front drive shaft. But either way, it came out, so got that done. And the nuts that come with them. And we're ready to roll. But I did manage to hack my flinch gasket, and it works fine. We're going to put the real one on there. Get this show on the road. The first issue, changing out exhaust header on the driver's side. Slide the new one. And this is how we got that one out. So let's see here. Okay, I got all the bolts off the header and my old gasket here. Get it out the way. Make sure it matches my new one. Looks the same to me from here. And I have to drop my exhaust down. Converter, and try to remove this thing out, but I have to drop it behind the frame and down to get it out, but we're almost there. Okay, moving right along. Try not to hit my spark plug. Last time I busted one of them, so see if I can get it in and out without touching that. Try to. Okay. Just need some wiggle room with this if I was going to take it out. I got it loose. My converter, exhaust, and I got my oxygen sensor out the way. Goes right there in that socket. Okay, moving right along. First, you should replace in your header on the 2004 Yukon Denali, and the flange gasket and the header gasket. Okay, everything matches up. Everything matches up, looks good. Okay, I got 2 bolts in. Trying to make sure my gasket's lined up. Before I get the rest of them going. Everything's looking good so far. Okay, the Virtually 2, we just completed replacing this exhaust header and the header gasket and the flange gasket. New bolts, everything seems to be nice and flat and sealed. And it stopped raining. That takes care of that problem. As you can see, this is not the same pump. This has a stem. I was trying to explain to him yesterday that this has a stem coming out the top, and he assured me that this is it. No. So we got 2 stems extruding from the pump, and this only has 1. So back to AutoZone. But first I gotta get this pulley off, or pulley tool. Let's do that.